guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to show you guys my current planning system. So I am using the Erin Condren Life Planner and the Mini Happy Planner. However, I do use a few other planning systems, such as my work planner is a classic happy planner. I use this memory planner thing, which is kind of like a happy planner scrapbook that I have put together, and I also use a fitness planner at times, which is a mini fitness planner. But for the most part, those are kind of These are my main ones and the ones that I have been using consistently since April. So I'm just going to flip through to show you guys the setup and whatnot, because I know sometimes it can get a little bit cloudy whenever you're seeing all of these different planners everywhere and whatnot. So let's just hop right into the video. So this is my Erin Condren Life Planner. I ordered a new cover. These are removable. That is why it looks different, but you can just pop them off and pop a new one back on, or pop the same one back on, obviously. My only beef so far with these Erin Condren Life Planners, or really just, I'm sure, any Erin Condren planner that has a plastic cover, is that they scratch easily. Like, you see that? And this actually doesn't leave my desk here. Literally, like, it's not left this desk in almost 3 months. So I don't really know what's going on there. But maybe I should... Well, I mean, the only thing I do is this whenever I, like, write and stuff. But that wouldn't scratch it because that's the back of it. So, I don't know. Maybe sliding it across my desk is not a good idea. But anyway... that's been my only beef so far. So I did get my name hand lettered by someone, so I'm super thankful for that because I've been waiting for that for forever. These pages, obviously, I'm still using them the same. If you've not seen this page before, I actually have a video on my channel where I'm setting this up, but basically it's just to highlight different events. So just quickly, let's say it's June the 5th. Well, it's not June the 5th, but we're going to June 5th. It's green. Green means bills. So on June 5th, our 6-month premium was due for our car insurance. And so that's what took place on June the 5th. Today is not June the 5th, but you guys get what I'm saying. I have the same thing on December 5th because it's a 6-month premium, so it will be due again December the 5th. And so it's just highlighting, you know, major events and bills. Let's say... Let's do an appointment. I have a dental appointment for my 6-month checkup on the 19th. My husband has one on the 9th. And I don't know what somebody has on December the 3rd. And that's pretty much when I flip here. Okay, I go to, oh yeah. I do have a doctor appointment, but I need to reschedule that because they said they're not going to be in the office on the 3rd. So anyway, I did have a doctor appointment, but I'm going to have to reschedule it. So this page looks cray-cray, but that's because... I don't mind it. I like it looking cray-cray, I guess, because it just works. So these are coordinating events. So again, you saw that I was able to point out a doctor appointment here, and then I just came right here to the 3rd, and then it says Shay Doctor. So this is just a page I created using the colorful boxes, and I think the new dates and holidays from the Happy Memory Keeping line. So that's pretty much what's going on this page. I don't think you guys have seen this before because there's really not much to see. So I didn't have the planner any of these days, well, from January to April, but we're just going to flip to this month. So it is June. I have I'm going to take this off because the reflection bothers me. I have our budget here, and I have income, bills, expenses, savings, all of the bills and expenses here, the budgeted column, the actual column, some of our goals for June. I did this last month, and I loved it, so I did it again this month. So this is here to stay. I recently picked up this bookmark. I'm still using this the same way, so we don't have a lot of, like, things to do, I guess, throughout the month. Like, we don't have tons of things to do, except for pay bills, essentially, because we are on a financial freedom journey, or a debt freedom journey. So basically all we do is, you know, worry about our finances. So that is what I'm tracking here. I have some of our goals over here: starting balance, ending balance, debt, savings. I have all of our bills due for the month, paydays. I have outlined a few events. Like here I actually have We have a baby shower to go to, which we're about to pause because if I don't do it now, I'll forget. One of my fellow planner babes recently sent me the pregnancy sticker book. I'm not pregnant, but I am going to use this and write in baby shower. It's at 11. I really don't need to do the time. But that's just an example because I wanted to show you guys. That's just an example of how I, you know, just use this to notate other events that are not financial related or finance related. So I've been really loving this. Again, this is definitely here to stay. So let's just flip to the current week. I've been decorating using any kind of stickers I can get my hands on. This week I decided to use the all Erin Condren stickers. Every single sticker on this page, which is the current week, today's the 9th, is an Erin Condren sticker. And so, just to give you an idea, in the Thankful Thought box, typically I just track like major stuff or something major for the week, and obviously Happy Mail is like a major event, so that's what I'm tracking over there. I normally track to-dos over here, or I'll do like a habit tracker. So we did eat in. Did we eat in yesterday on Friday? Yeah, we did eat in for dinner. We had leftovers. So I'll do habit trackers. I do work stuff up here typically, and bill stuff here, and things that have like time crunches, I guess, here. Like I had a call on Monday, and an appointment with my personal trainer, and then an Apple appointment, an appointment with my personal trainer, TV show, personal trainer, just except for this week, because I obviously didn't do that here. That should have been here if I was going for that. But that's pretty much what I've been doing. And then, like I said, this is normally to-dos and bills. So it really has no real rhyme or reason. As long as I am able to, you know, plan out the week and be able to structure the week in a way that I understand, that's pretty much all that matters. But that's how I've been using the weekly. So I don't really flip back here much, but I did flip back here recently whenever I wanted to check out some of these stickers and use some of them for that all Erin Condren spread. Didn't use those or these, but I have these in loose stickers, as I like to call them. So I don't have to use these ever anyway. Normally I'll have random stickers in this, or if I use an Etsy kit, which is rare, I will put the remaining stickers back here so I can use them throughout the week if needed. And that's pretty much it. I keep like important documents here, not like super important, like this is my dental bill, that's not really that important, but like stuff like that. And yeah, that's pretty much how I have been using this planner. I refer to this as my catch-all planner, or my main planner. Next up, we have my mini happy planner, which I have been using this since almost for a whole year. I've been using this since August. A mini happy planner the same way since August, and it doesn't go anywhere. I mean, she's pretty much here to stay. So same way as I've always been using it. Sometimes I'll slip pay stubs back here. I have cards here, so normally I just carry a license or a debit card. Sometimes I don't carry a debit card purposely, so I don't spend money. That's frequently, honestly. Normally I'll just fill up for the week, fill up my gas tank, and then I just won't use my debit card because my husband is in the city, so if I really needed him for whatever reason, he could just come save the day. And so that's how I stop myself from not spending any money. So anyway, I do have debit cards here. This is just a prepaid card that I leave there because I do YouTube videos, so if I want to flip open this randomly or something, no information will be showing, only this prepaid card that has $0 and 0 cents on it. So this is my mini happy planner. I love her. Let's just flip to well, I have March, April, May, and June in here. Eventually I'll take out March and April and add in July and August. Should probably do that now, but I'm not. If you know anything about the Happy Planner, you know that pages are all removable. So that is what I mean when I say that I'm going to take out April and May and add in some other months. So I do have one birthday in June, and then I have that dental appointment, but I did not decorate this or fill this out this month because, I mean, there's really no point. I mean, sometimes I do it just to do it, but otherwise, I mean, I rarely look at this sheet. May I did it because we had a lot of stuff going on in May, but normally I do fill it out, but I didn't fill it out in June. So anyway, I did decorate the monthly. So this planner goes with me in my purse or bag or whatever I'm carrying. That has rubbed off on that. That's super annoying. And I chose to mark our paydays and our bills. So these are paydays, obviously. And then I just put a little $ over the dates whenever we have a bill due. So I don't need to really go into detail about this because that's all in my big life planner, or my main planner, so I really don't need to go into detail. But if I ever am out and about and I need to just quickly reference a date or whatever, I have kind of like miniature versions. This is like the miniature version of my life planner, and it's also pretty condensed because I don't need to use it as a main planner, I guess. It's just for quick reference while I'm out and about. See, I know that I have a dentist appointment and I have a bill due on that day, and I have a bill due on this one, and a birthday and a payday and those 2 events and the baby shower, but I'm not going to put that in here because that's repetitive and I'm not going to forget about it. It's next Saturday. That was 1 week. This was another week. This was like the 5-minute challenge. I attempted to plan in 5 minutes. So sometimes I do like little challenges in this one. So I really don't need to decorate it. Like one time I didn't decorate it at all. And that was fun. That was a challenge too. That was the squad goals challenge. This week I didn't decorate it at all, and it still pretty much, you know, worked the same. I used it for quick reference. So that's kind of what I use this planner for, honestly. Whenever I actually take time to decorate it, it's probably because of a challenge. So anyway, I think that was maybe a challenge too. That was a challenge. And then I'm not decorated for this next week, and because I don't know what the challenge is going to be or if there's going to be a challenge. If not, I'll just do minimal decorating. And again, this is for quick reference. For example, it just has a condensed version of what's in my life planner. So sorry, I thought that was, you know, not on. I thought that was on silent, but clearly not. But this is just a condensed version. If I'm out and about, I need to write down any to-do lists or anything like that. That is what this is for. This is the current week, actually. So anyway, that's pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick flip through. I don't show any of the other planners because I don't really use those for functionality. Those are, I mean, I use my work planner for functionality, but I can't show that anyway because that's a HIPAA violation. And the other planners I don't really use for functionality, I guess. And they're also kind of like hit and miss. These are my main 2 planners that I use every single week. If I had to get rid of one, I could probably do away with this planner, but if I did that, I'd have to probably get a wallet, because sometimes I'll put my checkbook in here if I have to write some checks. So I'd probably have to get a wallet, which I don't want to do because I don't want to buy one. Or I would have to try to carry this around, and this thing doesn't look huge, but it is pretty big and it's pretty heavy, and it would just get, well, I have that planner folio. I was gonna say it would just get more scratched up than what it already is, but that would be my alternative. So if I really had to get rid of a planner, or if I felt the need to do so, I'd probably try to get rid of this one. But again, I don't want to get rid of any one of them. I want these 2 to stay forever because I love them. So anyway, that was just a quick flip through just to catch you guys up to speed on what my planning system looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.